We're celebrating 3 vlogs in a row.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know when
I wish we had more balloons.
I don't know when the last time this happened. Come on, let me get. Hey, we got the
Very impressed. Oh.
We are coming to you live from, well, not live, but present day.
We are
currently in the middle of the ocean, on Oasis of the Seas. We're having a mommy daddy week with no kids, and it's been absolutely wonderful. We had been on the road for the last 6 months. We shot 2 movies back to back, and then went on a summer tour.
And we released a book.
I hope you've been enjoying all these vlogs because we've been enjoying doing them. Let's just get this started. So welcome to another episode of La Vida Penavega. My name is Carlos Penavega. This is my wife,
Alex Penavega.
and we are excited for this next episode. So welcome to the show. Let's go. How was it intro? That was good.
I thought you did a good job.
Should we do that segment at the end again? No?
No, I thought you killed it.
Let's rock.
Are you ready?
All right.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, dude. New GoPro. Let's see how it goes today. I got TJ here. Got a new anchor because this one is rusted. Although Matt was telling me that I should just pressure wash it and save that one. What do you think? As a backup.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. We're gonna keep the one as a backup. TJ went and got us some galvanized. What is it? 314. What is it called? G4.
Yeah.
And TJ loves being on camera.
Oh, absolutely.
On Friday, they're gonna unstep the mast. Seahawk rigging. Come on. I'll explain the other stuff later.
Okay, so we're dragging today, but we're trying our best to pick up the pace because a lot has to happen. They really want us out of here, so we are doing our best. It's a great GoPro, babe. We're doing our best to kind of hustle and get things done. Lois is working super hard. TJ's working super hard. They're working on dropping the anchor and chain right now, so that way we can, I guess, put the new one on. This guy is so old and ugly, so we're upgrading. I don't know if you can see that giant blue thing is what lifts our boat out of the water. It was just right here, but we had to extend our time to the afternoon. They originally wanted to get us out of here 9 a.m., but that was an hour and a half ago, and we're a long ways from being finished. So hopefully we can hustle and get things done because they're ready for us to go.
We're still on the hard at Rybovich Marina. We were trying to get so many things done at once. Well, they needed room for the super yachts, and our little boat and our small pocketbook needed to get the heck out of Dodge.
They were like really ready to just kick us out.
So we pushed as far as we could, and we were approaching our splash day. It's called a splash day.
Yay, well done.
We learned that.
Ding, 5 points.
Ding, 5 points. So basically on splash day, they put you back in the slings, they take you back over, drop you in the water,
It's a very cool experience.
you sail away. But you can't do any of that before you pay the bill. Nice. I liked it.
You okay, babe?
The windlass is not working now.
Oh, nice.
I just, I love it. I just love it so much when things don't work.
So what does that mean now?
Figure out why the windlass doesn't work. Cool.
God is in control. That's what we keep saying this morning. Yes, babe? What's happening right now? What's wrong with it?
TJ, explain
So
it.
the lock is frozen.
Great.
We're trying to unfreeze
We think it might be like a storage.
it. It's trial and error right now.
On there, great.
I should be working and not talking.
No, this is great. This is great. Carlos is posing too. He's got like one leg. Look at that pose, babe. Wow, it's like a model. Baby, are those muscles just for looks? Like, what's up? Oh my word. Okay, so I'm trying to troubleshoot right now why their windlass isn't working. Fun fact, it's not windless, it's windlass. I had no idea about that. Here you go.
The Gypsy is closed. The shaft runs, but the Gypsy is still, although the brake belt is loose. The Gypsy is not closed on the clutch cone. Check the clutch tightening if necessary. I mean, does this thing just have to be super tight?
Hey, you got a second? I'm on Xenia. We're trying to get this winch working.
Our windlass was not working.
Broken.
So you know how the lock on the side, you unscrew it?
TJ was super, super helpful with all of the anchor stuff. He called his buddy, who's like some big chain supplier.
What I've noticed in the boating community is that it is really tight knit, and for the most part, everybody is willing to help each other out, and that is super, super special.
For the most part.
For the most part. Every now and then you run into like the one-off person, but for the most part, everybody's just trying to work together because we all love the water.
So we're ending up having to take this whole thing apart. We think there's a part that's seized that's supposed to be spinning. So this was supposed to be launch day, getting out of here real quick and solidifying a bunch of stuff, and well, they're gonna start bringing that machine over in like, what, 2 hours? I hope we're ready. So we're gonna do it by hand, basically. It's all gonna be by hand now.
I'll just control this. Once I pull it up, you want to untie that, and then I'll start
Yep.
working.
God is in control. God is in control.
All right, so we found the problem. Look at all of this. Literally under here, ready? Hold on.
There you go.
Yeah, bro, go for it. And we've been scraping all of it out. Holy moly. It literally wouldn't move like this before.
Nothing interesting is happening, but they're still cleaning this thing.
TJ just got us a bin. TJ, how's that bin, bro? All right, get ready. It's coming down.
We were able to put the new chain in.
Chain is
Haven't
so
used
pretty.
it yet.
We have not used it.
2 years later, but
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
okay.
Okay, so we're getting out of here. Here we go.
I gotta see this.
How you feel?
I feel so much better. I had to pump so badly.
Oh yeah, pump that milk.
Okay, so we are almost in the water. Technically, we haven't dropped yet, so they still have us in this like boat harness thing that they were carrying the boat in. So we are waterside, but I think we're waiting to see if she floats or if she sinks. Well, she floats.
It's floating.
You're golden.
Holy cannoli. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Captain David. He is single. He is looking for a wife. He's looking for an awesome conservative wife. Loves the Lord.
Yeah, and
Loves boating.
Oh, I mean, you can change it.
You can change her.
No,
maybe
no, you can't.
maybe someone moldable. Here we go.
Bye, Radovich. Never again.
Once we got in the water, we were gonna head to another marina, and they were going to unstep the mast.
This new marina is freaking awesome. It is called Cracker Boy, and it is literally just kind of this like place where you go to fix up your boat, and it is not nearly as
Bougie.
as bougie.
We would have gone there first, but the problem is our boat is so wide. So I saw a bunch of comments being like, "Wow, why'd you have to go to this marina?" Well, the issue is our boat is 31 by 61. And the beam being 31, there are only so many places around the world that can haul out a 31-foot beam.
And Cracker Boy did not have any openings until this day, right?
For us in the water.
Yeah, for us in the water, or else we would have.
We were gonna park the boat in between these 6 pylons. The rip current over there is like terrible. So we start getting shoved into these pylons.
Just going.
So I'm grabbing fenders, I'm holding, I had to stop recording the GoPro. But Alexis shows up at the marina.
I just remember watching these guys and I'm like, what is happening?
Ended up having just to jump in the water,
Literally, in this like
wrap
crazy
it around,
current.
throw it back up to the boat.
When I came around the corner to with shirtless men pulling this as hard as possible.
We're home. It's 11:30. So my camera died before we got the boat into the new slip. Holy moly, it was absolutely insane. The tide was really high and Captain David was just like, let's just go for it. And it was just me and him. And I wish I had footage, but
it was cray cray.
it was
Thank God
crazy.
you don't have footage.
And we just kept getting pushed onto the thing. But he's a champ. He knew exactly what to do. He stayed calm.
He's strong.
And he's strong.
Thank God.
And we got everything hooked up. We're home. We did it. We're out of
Now
Rybovich
Ready
Marina.
to cuddle our kids.
Yeah.
Actually, we need to shower first.
But definitely
Gross.
shower first. Anywho, we're gonna go to sleep.
No, we're not going to sleep.
Why?
We have to do our Q&A.
Great. We're gonna do a Q&A and then we're gonna go to sleep. Okay. See you in the morning. Oh, good morning. Buenos dias. It is Thursday. What's the day today? October 7th. So today, my dad is moving. So we are completely taking everything out of the house because this has kind of been home base for the last 2 weeks, and now we're gonna make the boat home base since we're back in the water. So yeah, we're literally gathering all of our stuff, accoutrements, and we're gonna put it in the car, and we're gonna head back to the boat today. Let's keep on keeping on. All right, so we made it to the yard. It's a little crazy here. I mean, it's good, but there's a lot of people on the boat. It's stressing me out a little bit. Just because like everyone wants to help, but I also want to figure things out on my own. So I got a spigot for free.
So the day has come, and we are finally unstepping the mast. And this day is not just anything to just speak lightly about. There's a lot of planning. We have to get a huge crane to come in.
Because it's huge. How big is our mast?
We're 85 feet. We're massive.
85-foot.
We don't even fit under bridges.
I don't know if you guys remember, but when Big Time Rush was shooting a music, there was like shooting a music video in Miami. We thought, how cool would this be? They're staying at this awesome house, like right on the intercoastal.
Yeah, we wanted to take the boat to the house.
We're gonna boat right on over, but no, there were too many fixed bridges, and we didn't fit under anything.
We need no fixed bridges.
No fixed bridges.
How we looking, boss?
We got the sling ready. We're about to go up and get her done.
So are you going up the mast or no?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, we're taking that with us.
I do.
We're gonna show how it's done.
Okay, so TJ's about to go up the mast, and this sling is gonna take it out of here. Woo!
TJ helped me with everything.
He also taught us a lot as well.
So much.
TJ, you're a rock star.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Dude, I can feel the rumbling, I guess from all the machines, because the boat's off.
Yeah.
So this thing, TJ, is what's saving your life right here.
The safety. So this is my secondary harness.
Okay.
We clip into the old Petzl gear.
Yeah.
We are a distributor.
Oh yeah, you are a distributor. Oh my god. And Dad's gonna lift you up.
Yeah. Ocean wave. Wave.
So there she goes. Sayonara. First time touching the top of the mast. And I'm not in a harness. Gotta get some new lighting. Everything. What are you guys doing?
We're feeding fish. We're feeding bread to the fish.
You're feeding the bread to the fish?
Look, they're eating it.
Is it so awesome?
Yeah.
Are you guys wearing the same shirts?
Yeah. Ah! Eating it!
Keegan, what are you doing?
Where did all those fishies
They're
come
bad.
from?
Whoa, no, oh, small pieces, dude.
I got 3 gobies and one crab. 3 gobies, 1 crab, and one seaweed.
You caught a goldfish?
3.
Show me.
Come here. They're up here.
They're up here?
Yeah.
Show me.
Right here.
Oh. Whoa.
Where's the water?
Moving day, say moving day.
Moving day.
It's our new home for the next few weeks.
All right, so now that the boat was in the water, we could officially move in, and Alexa and I and the kids were so excited. I think I was pretty much the most excited.
Take me on
Kingston.
boat?
What?
Take me on boat?
Take you on the boat?
Yeah.
You're living on the boat.
Nope.
Yeah.
No.
It's move-in day. Can you say move-in day?
Movie day?
Movie day. Oh, careful. What are you doing?
Coloring.
What are you coloring? What letter is that?
F.
What?
F.
No, that's not an F. What,
Ocean.
what letter is that?
What letter's that?
E.
Why'd you say it was an F? Were you trying to trick me? No.
He always does that. First I'll ask him like what it is, and he'll tell me the wrong answer, and then come back with the right answer, and I'm like, what are you like testing me? What is happening here?
Rio, how do you feel about today? Do you feel good about today? Do you like being on the boat?
Are you tired, princess?
Do you like being on the boat?
Are you tired?
Okay, no smile.
She's so tired.
Alright, so, guys and girls. Oh no. Oh no.
What happened?
What happened? What happened? What happened? This moment right here, even though we're still at a yard and not at anchor just yet, this is our first real night on the boat.
Yeah.
We got the breeze coming in. Oh. There we go. Thank you, buddy. But this has been a dream of mine for how long? 5, 6 years? 7 years?
Years.
And every time we thought about it, we were just like, it's just not possible. Not possible. And what's crazy is that we just did it. It was one of those things where we knew it was going to be kind of scary. Hi, beautiful. We knew it was going to be scary, but instead of allowing fear to get in, we just prayed about it and just went for it. Guys, you're missing.
Ow! I just got kicked in the face.
You're missing.
Ow!
This is supposed to be a moment right now, guys.
This is a rough moment.
This is a rough moment. I am thankful to have you guys as part of something that I have dreamed about even before I was married to your mommy. What are you thankful for, Kingston?
The park.
You're thankful to go to the
You're
park?
thankful to go to the park? That's good, that's fair.
Thankful
Oh,
for the
hey,
park?
hey, Ocean, what are you thankful for?
Fish.
Fishing. Mommy,
fishing.
mommy, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for family time.
No.
Yeah, because I love my boys.
And Ria, what are you thankful for? I'm thankful for mommy's milk. It's
I was about to say milk.
I love mommy's milk. Whoop, 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 whoop. All right, anywho, this card is about to expire, and so is this episode. There's no turning back.
We're in.
We are officially boat owners. Thank you, buddy.
Let me have it.
The boat's name,
Let me have it.
here's a kiss, can I have
Here's
it?
a kiss. Give me that camera.
The boat's name is Alexa. We're officially boat owners of the Alexa. And we got a lot of work to do. And we don't know if we're gonna be doing any acting. We don't know what's happening. But all we do know is that we took this leap as a family. And we're excited, guys, right?
Right here.
Right?
Right.
Kingston, right?
Right.
And we're all gonna go to bed right now, right?
No.
What?
What?
Hey, no. You don't say no. You
Yes.
just say 1 more minute, please.
Let me have it.
Yeah, sure. Say much love.
My love.
God bless.
Cereal.
No. Say much love.
My love.
God bless.
Drop it.
And chop liver.
Top laser.
And then say, see you on the next one.
See on that one.
And this is why we did this. This is why we're doing this right here. Awesome.